Hi students, last video we have completed 103 page, the first topic of that page. Look for a pattern. That class I have told the second topic of this page we will start in the next video. So today we will start that topic, that is magic squares. Now let's read the question. Do you remember magic triangles? Come now, let's make some magic squares. Fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. Rule is the total of each line is 150. Students, this is the question. Here we have given 9 boxes with 3 rows and 3 columns. First row, second row, third row. Now first column, second column, third column. In the 9 boxes, total 9 boxes, out of that 4 boxes they have filled. The remaining boxes we have to fill up, complete. We have to complete. For completing that boxes, they have given 2 clues. Which are the 2 clues? The first one is we can use numbers from 46 to 54. In between these numbers only we can use 46 to 54. And the next clue is the total of each line. That means total of first row, total of second row or total of third row will be 150. Otherwise total of first column, total of second column and third column. If we calculate the 3 numbers, the answer should be 150. And other also the diagonal shape, the diagonal lines also should be, the answer should be 150. So these are the 2 clues they have given us to find out the numbers to fill these boxes. Now we will start how can we find out the answers. Let's start from the last row. I will start from last row because in that row they have already given 2 numbers 52 and 47. To find out the third number, very easy. We have to add these 2 numbers and the answer we have to subtract from 150. Then that answer will be the third box we can fill. Using that number we can fill the third box. So now let's start. First example I will say, in last row 52 plus 47 equals, what is the answer? 52 plus 47 is 99. Total answer is 99. Now the third row's number will be 150 minus 99. That number will we have to complete this, the pink color box. 150 minus 99 equals 51. So we can write in the third row, first box, we can fill up that box with a 51. So that third row completed. All the 3 boxes we have completed in the third row. Now we will move to the first column. First box, second box, third box. Here also 2 numbers are available. That is 46 and 51. 51 we find out from the last row. Now 46 plus 51 we have to calculate. What is 46 plus 51? Is 97. To find out the number in the third box, we can calculate very easily by 150 minus 97. In the same way, here how we have find out this 51? Like that, 150 minus 97 equals 53. So in the first column, first box, we can write or we can fill up with the number 53 in this way. Now see that last row we have completed, first column we have completed. Now we will take first row. In the first row we have 2 numbers 53 and 49. The middle box we have to find the number. That is also very easy. 53 plus 49 we have to count. 53 plus 49 equals 102. To find out the third number, 150 minus 102 is, the answer is 48. So in the first row, first middle box we can fill up with the number 48. Now 3 boxes numbers we have find out. Which numbers? 51 we found out, that is the last row. First column, first box 53 we have written. Now first row 48 we have written. Now we will move to the middle column. Middle column. There also two numbers are available. Which are the two numbers? First box is 48 and the last box is 52. So 48 plus 52 we have to find out. What is the answer? 48 plus 52? 48 plus 52 is 100. To find out the middle box, 150 minus 100 equals 50. 150 minus 100 equals 50. So we can fill up the second column, middle box. We will write the number 50. Now all the boxes except one box we have completed. Now last column 49 and 47 is there. Two numbers are already there. First box 49 and second number is, last box is 47. Now 47 plus 49 equals 96. The answer is 96. 49 plus 47 equals 96. 100 minus 96. You have to calculate this. 150 minus 96 equals, answer is 54. Now we can fill up that box. That means the last column, middle box, we will write the number 54. Now all the boxes we have completed in this way. If two numbers have given there, it is very easy to find out the third number. All the calculations detailed way I have given under this box. Students, you roll the video and you can write all the answers in your notebook. Now we will move to the, see, all these answers I have given detailed way. How can we find out the answers for all the boxes? Detailed way. And the last box, here I have given a complete box of our with the values for all the boxes I have given. You can complete this in your textbook or notebook. Notes I will give later. That time also you can complete, but the box you have to complete in the textbook. This is the completed box I have given here. In the next magic box is given here with the number 25 in the middle, and there are 9 boxes in this magic box. 9 boxes with 3 rows and 3 columns. Here we have given the clues that fill this square using all the numbers from 21 to 29. Students, in this box we have to complete the numbers from 21 to 29. And the another clue is the total of each side will be 75. If any way we count or add these 3 numbers from column wise or row wise, we should get the answer 75. So we will start from the 25 number. As 25 is given here in the middle of this box, this number will be the topmost middle number of all the boxes. So first we will start from the diagonal shape. Here in the diagonal shape we will start from the bottom to top. That means from green color bottom to top. As we get 25 as the middle number. If 25 will be the middle number, what are the other 2 numbers? That means the number preceding and succeeding of 25. So I will take 24 as the bottom part of the green color. Starting from 24, 25 will be the middle number, and the top portion we will write 26. So in this way we have completed the diagonal shape green part, and the total of this 26 plus 25 plus 24 is 75. So the rule we are following. We can follow the rule also, completed the diagonal shape. Now we have to find out the first row of this box. We can find the numbers which will come in these 2 boxes. That means first row. As we know that the total of these 3 boxes will be 26. The remaining 75. The remaining will be 75 minus 26. 75 minus 26 is 49. Here I will split this 49 into 2 odd numbers. 2 odd numbers we can take, 27 and 22. 27 plus 22 is 49. So I will write 20. We can write 27 in the first box and 22 in the blue color corner box in the first row. First row, last box we will write 22. Now we completed the first row of this box. Now we will select the next diagonal of this box. That means 22 plus 25 plus this box will be the answer of 75. So first we have to complete 22 plus 25 equals 47. That means the total of these two boxes is 47. So the remaining number will be this box. That means 75 minus 47 is 28. That 28 we have to write in this pink color box. That means the last row of the first box of the last row. We have completed the second diagonal also. Second diagonal also we have completed. Now as we have completed two boxes in each columns, it is very easy to find out the third box. So we will start from the first column. Students, we know that 26 plus 28 plus that third middle box is the answer of 75. Is the 75. So in the first column, 26 plus 28 equals 54. So 75 minus 54 will be the number in the blue box. 75 minus 54 is 21. So we can complete that box with a 21 number. Now we will select the second column. 27 is in the first box and 25 is the middle number. 27 plus 25 equals 52. The remaining number will be in the lowest box. That means in the blue color part. 75 minus 52 equals 23. So we can write 23 in the second column last box. That is 23 I have written. Now we have to complete the last box, the last column, the middle box. This is also we are following the same rule. In the third column, 22 plus 24 we have to find. The answer is 46. The remaining number is the middle box. That means 75 minus 46 is 29. That 29 we will write in the middle box of the last column. So in this way we have completed all the 9 boxes and we have completed this magic box also. You have to write down this in the textbook. If you want to write the rules, you can write. Otherwise you write the boxes and fill up all the magic boxes. Students, if you observe the colors, the same colored boxes, we can understand that all the colors which has the same colors are having consecutive numbers. So take that first green color, 24, 25, 26, and next one pink color, you observe pink color, 27, 28, 29. This is also a type of pattern. And in blue color you see that 21, 22, 23, the last one 23. So this in the color way also there is a type of pattern we can observe in this magic box. To next page, page number 104. See what is given here. Look at the patterns of numbers in hexagons. Each side has 2 circles and 1 box. Look at the number 65 in the box. Which are the circles next to it? Here 65 number we have to see, and the number next to the circles. As we have completed this page, now we will move to the next page, page number 104. Here we have given, look at the patterns of numbers in hexagons. Each side has 2 circles and 1 box. Look at the number 65 in the box. Which are the circles next to it? Here we have given one clue. You get the number in each box by multiplying the numbers in the circles next to it. Students, first you observe the hexagon. What is hexagon? Hexagon means a closed figure with 6 sides. See here we can count the sides of this hexagon. Start from here, right side. First side, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. In each side there are 2 circles and 1 box in between that circles. See, first side take 7 and 10 are the circles. In between there is a box. In box 1 number given. Now next side take 10 and 2, and in between that box 1 square is there or 1 box is there. In next diagonal or next side there are 2 and 13. circles are 2 and 13 and the box is 26. Like that, the next side the numbers are in the circle are 5 and 13 and the box it is 65. At the same way, the next side circles, in the circles there are 5 and 14 and the answer is in the box is 70. And the last side of this hexagon is 7 and 14 are the circles. In between that there is the box which has the number of 84. Here we have given the clue that the numbers in the circles, if we multiply, we will get the answer or multiple of that two number in that box. For example, 7 tens are 70. 70 is given in that box or in that square. Like that, 10 into 2 equals 20. So 10 2s are 20. The multiple is given in that box. Next one, 2 into 13 is 26. So 2 and 13 are the factors and the 26 is given, the multiple is given in this box. Like that, 13 into 5 is 65. That means the multiplication or the product is given in the box and the factors are given in the circles. Like that, next side see, 5 into 14 is 70. 5 and 14 are factors and 70 is the multiple of 14 and 5. Next last side see that 14 into 7 equals 84. That means all the boxes have the products or the multiples of the numbers which are in the circles. So you can write the each part we can write first two points they have showed. 5 into 13 is equal to 65 and 70, how we are getting 5 into 14 is equal to 5 into 14 is 70. Like that, the remaining these two answers given. Now the 7 into 10 given. 7 into 10 equals 70. In this way, we can complete the whole pairs, the 6 pairs or the 6 side pairs we can complete in the, if you want, if we want to write, we can complete these pairs. Now here we have given another 2 hexagons and asked us to complete these given hexagons. See, let's see how we will try how can we complete these hexagons. See, first one box, the first side given 9 and the next box given 108. To find the answer for the next circle in the pink color, if you want to find the answer for that, either you can divide 108 by 9, then you will get the answer for there. Otherwise, you take the table of 9 up to 108. Here I will tell you the answer. The answer is 12. That means 9 12s are 108. So we have to write the answer in there 12. Now next side you see 12 and 7. In the box we have to find the product of 12 and 7. What is the product of 12 7? 12 7s are 84. So write that 84 in that box. Now we have to move next side of this hexagon. Here 7 and 17. What is the product of 7 and 17? 17 7s are 109. That will complete that box. Now move to the next side of the hexagon. 6 and 17 or 17 6 are. 17 6 are 102. Answer is 102. Complete that box also. Now the next side of the hexagon, 6 into 11. 11 6 are 66. Easy, very easy. Complete that 66 there. And the last side of this hexagon is 9 into or 11 into 9, 99. 11 into 99 is 9 is 99. So completed the first hexagon. Now we have to see the second hexagon. What are the answers? We have to find out this box. First box, we have given 104 and in one circle 8 given. To find the answer for the next circle, we have to divide this 104 by 8. 104 divided by 8 is 13. So the answer you have to write in that box. 13 8s are 104. Now the next side of this hexagon, right side. 8 8s are 64. That is very easy. Write that 64 there. Now the next side they have given only one number only. So before finding that, we have to find this side. Find the answer for this side. 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4 is 16. You write the answer 16 there. Then now easy to find the 16 eights are. 16 eights are 128. So that side also we have completed. Now we have to move to this side. So before going to here, we have to find the answer of 78 divided by 13. 78 divided by 13 is 6. Answer is 6. Now it's very easy to find the last diagonal or last side of this hexagon. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. So in this way we completed the two hexagons which are given for us to complete the. Now today we have completed page 104 also. Next video we will start our next topic and next page 105.